If you are a game lover, then you must familiar with PUBG game because right now it is the most addicted game over the internet. But do you know about Apex Legends? It just released few weeks ago and already being popular among game lovers. Guys, once again welcome to Learning Bean. Today I will discuss between these two games which one you should install and play. So when you're ready, let's get started.
If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update.
Paid versus free. We all know about PUBG Mobile, it's free. But if you want PC version, then you have to pay for it. Although you can play mobile version on PC by using BlueStack or any virtual machine, but its controlling will be very hard. On the other hand, Apex Legends is free for PC, PS4 or Xbox, and soon they will release their mobile version. Number 2, game size. Those games download size almost same, it's about 13 GB, but after installing PUBG, it will consume 30 GB. And on the other hand, Apex Legends will take only 23 GB. So in this point, Apex Legends will save your disk space. Number 3, graphics. Trust me, no need to compare it because I have played both of those games, but by far Apex Legends got best graphics and you'll love it once you play it. Number 4, concept. If you're playing PUBG, then you know it's kind of boring. Every time you play, it's kind of same play, same concept. But Apex Legends created with totally new concept. It will make you feel real for its graphics. Number 5, PC requirements. For playing Apex Legends, Core i3, 4GB RAM and good quality graphics card will be enough for you. But if you want to play PUBG PC, then you need higher configuration. So guys, that's all for today. From my point of view, I think Apex Legends is far better than PUBG. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Until then, take care.